Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. If you've ever felt stuck while speaking English or didn't know the right phrase at the right time, then today's episode will completely change that.
Exactly. Today we're not just learning vocabulary, we're learning real-life phrases that native speakers actually use in different situations.
And trust me, these phrases will help you sound more confident, more natural, and even more professional.
So stay with us till the end because each section will unlock a new level of your English speaking skills.
And don't forget, repeat after us while listening. Practice is the key. Hi, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Zane.
And today, we'll explore essential and advanced English phrases for different conditions, like daily conversations, emotional situations, formal speaking, disagreements, and motivation. Friendly. How have you been? This phrase is used when you haven't seen someone for a while. It shows care and interest.
Nice. And here's another natural one. Long time no see. It's informal and friendly, perfect for friends.
Yes, and if you want to start a conversation smoothly, you can say, "What have you been up to?" This means, "What have you been doing recently?"
Playful. And if nothing special happened, just say, same old, same old.
Serious, soft. Sometimes we feel stressed. Instead of simple words, use, "I'm under a lot of pressure." This is perfect for academic or work situations.
Relatable. Or, I'm barely keeping up. It means you're struggling to manage everything.
Another emotional phrase is, "It's taking a toll on me." This means something is affecting your mental or physical health.
Supportive. And when someone shares this, respond with, I'm here for you.
Inspiring. Now, let's talk about powerful motivational phrases. Keep pushing forward. Use this when someone feels like quitting.
And I love this one. Progress, not perfection. It means improvement matters more than being perfect.
Soft, emotional. You are stronger than you think. This gives emotional strength.
Deep down. Here's an advanced one. Turn your pain into power.
Impressed. That's powerful. It means using difficult experiences to grow stronger.
Calm, neutral. Let's learn how to agree politely. I couldn't agree more. This shows strong agreement.
And a softer one is, "That makes sense."
Now, disagreement, but politely. I see your point, but this is very important in discussions.
And a stronger but still respectful phrase is, "I respectfully disagree."
Surprised. You've got to be kidding. Use this when something is shocking or unbelievable.
Excited. That blew my mind. It means something impressed you a lot.
I didn't see that coming. Perfect for unexpected situations.
This is amazing. Simple but full of excitement.
Formal. I truly appreciate it. More emotional than just thank you.
Would it be possible to... Very polite request.
I apologize for the inconvenience. Used in formal situations.
Thank you for your patience.
Thoughtful. Let me think about it.
I'll get back to you means you will respond later.
I'm not entirely sure, but useful when you are uncertain.
It depends on the situation.
Stressed. I'm under a lot of pressure. I feel like I'm barely keeping up.
Calm, supportive. Hey, I'm here for you. Take a breath. You are stronger than you think.
Thanks. I just need some time.
Of course. Progress, not perfection. Just keep pushing forward.
Received. That makes sense. I'll try again.
Warm, encouraging. Today we explored advanced English phrases for real-life situations, so you can speak naturally and confidently.
Remember, fluency is not about knowing difficult words. It's about using the right phrases at the right time.
Practice these phrases daily, even if it's just speaking to yourself.
And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support your English learning journey.
Comment below your favorite phrase, and we might use it in our next episode.
See you next time. Keep learning, keep shining.